Across Africa, national assemblies, senates, and county assemblies carry the responsibility of governance. But manual processes slow legislation, limit access to information, and strain public resources. Introducing Suvence eParliament, a secure digital platform built for African legislative institutions. Digitize plenary sittings and committee meetings. Manage bills, motions, orders, and Hansards in one secure system. Enable electronic voting, attendance tracking, and real-time collaboration. From committee rooms to the chamber floor, legislation moves faster, smarter, and more transparently. Government-grade security, full audit trails designed to meet public sector compliance standards. Suvence eParliament, empowering national assemblies, senates, and county assemblies for digital governance. Simple, smart, secure.